Hey creators, welcome back to Neo Design Lab. What if I told you that you could create a Pixar-style animated short film without animation skills, expensive software, or a team? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created this short story using just ChatGPT, Piclumen, and Yuewen.cn 100% free tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Write the story with ChatGPT. First, ask ChatGPT to write a fun 3-scene short story. Use this prompt. Prompt: write a 3-scene short film for children. It should be funny, feature a robot and a dragon, and take place during breakfast. Include full descriptions of characters, scenes, and simple camera directions. Second prompt: manage all scan prompts for video Yuewen.cn and for image Piclumen AI. Step 2. Generate images with Piclumen. Go to Piclumen.com and sign in. For each scene from the story, generate a detailed image using the scene descriptions. Example prompt: a cartoon-style image of a little robot and a cute dragon eating toast together at a wooden table. Bright morning light, whimsical kitchen setting, playful expressions. Download all 3 scene images. These will become your animation shots. Step 3. Animate with Yuewen.cn. Go to Yuewen.cn, no payment required. Upload each image one by one. Then, ask ChatGPT to write a matching animation prompt like. Prompt: the robot hands a toast to the dragon. The dragon winks happily and eats it. The camera pans slowly. Paste that into Yuewen. Select cinematic style and click generate. Repeat for each image. Step 4. Final edit in CapCut or other video editor. I will use Adobe Premiere. Import all animated clips into CapCut. Arrange scenes based on your story. Add sound effects. Use robot beeps, toast popping, dragon munching sounds. Pixar-Style.com has free SFX. Add transitions, captions, and background music if needed. Now hit export, and you made your first animated AI short. Let's look final result. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your AI short film ideas in the comments. Want to learn how to create voiceovers using ChatGPT plus Suno? Check out our video linked below.